So this is team frequency, and for prototype our main goal will be to just detect defect in our demo reel units. And for that we have one demo reel unit which is pretty normal and it has no defect in it. And then after that we have another one which has a slit defect, as you can see. And now we'll place the normal one first so that our Arduino and sensors can take reading of it. We are taking reading by using a phone as a transmitter, which will transmit low frequencies through its vibration motor, and that frequency will then be detected by the piezoelectric sensor attached at the other end, and then transferred to Arduino. Now we'll put our phone over there and put it in vibrate mode, and that should do. Let's connect our power supply. There goes our 12-volt DC power supply, and we'll start the program. When the program starts, how it works is basically it's taking readings by every 10 milliseconds. So those readings are then averaged over the span of like 30 seconds, and then uh, after that the LED will stop blinking, the one that's blinking right now. It will stop blinking and will just turn on, indicating that we have to change our demo reel unit. As you can see, it has stopped blinking. So we will just put our phone away and change the demo reel unit and put the one with the defect. So now the idea is that this one having defect will transfer less acoustic, less waves, basically less vibrations, so which will result in lower readings, and that difference is what we will use to identify the defect. So let's press the button indicating that we have changed the rod, and the light is blinking again indicating that it's taking the readings. And if it detects a defects, then the red LED will turn on, otherwise the green one, transparent one is green LED, that will turn on if there is no defect. But if there is defect, then the red LED will turn on. And it should be done, and there you go, there's a defect. But what if we want to see if it detects defects on its, like the basis is just that we are using two rods, one has a defect and one doesn't have a defect. So we are comparing both because both are identical in shape, weight and everything, just that one has a defect. So if there's anything change in reading, that's because of that defect. So what we are doing is comparing. So what if we compare the same rod to the itself? There should be no difference, right? So it should just say that okay, there is no defect. That makes sense. So it has stopped taking reading, and we'll press the button and it starts taking reading again, and it will compare both readings. And if our software works correctly, both the readings should be nearly identical, and the green LED should turn on. And as you can see, the green LED has turned on. Thank you.